So, our first winter hike. Ooh, look at this. Snow. So we're at the trailhead, the South End Cabayan trailhead. We are right here. We're gonna hike all the way down, all along there to, down there to T Harbor. And here's the actual giant right there. That's the sleeping giant. It's gonna be interesting, so bear with me. I've never done this before in the winter. I hope I can do a fire. I've been able to do a fire in the rain, so I should be able to. Shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so let's do this. She loves to eat snow. Okay, let's go. Of traffic through here already. It's just kind of packed down the snow on the trail, so not walking through really deep snow. I like that helps. Yeah, right now I think it's in the plus right now. Yeah, it's like plus 1 or 2 degrees Celsius. At night, the lowest it's supposed to get is minus 4 degrees Celsius. Now, if you watch that one video I did, gear I should have got sooner, remember that big heavy backpack? That beast thing, I brought that because that thing's rated for minus 10 degrees, so it should be warm tonight. Warmer than it was on that last hike, and it got pretty cold. And but yeah, I figure I'm going to bring this. Let's see if I can stuff it in. I was able to get it in here, and yeah, my pack's a lot heavier, but with that and the extra clothing, should be good. I'm like about 2 kilometers in, and maybe a little more. And usually this section, the first couple kilometers in this section, I usually see a lot of people, like people go for a day hike up to the top of the giant or just going to the sea line. But I haven't seen one person now. But there was about 4 vehicles in the parking lot, and there's fresh tracks here, so there are people out here somewhere. So I'll probably run into somebody ways. But I'm definitely absolutely loving this, actually. I was always skeptical. Can I say this word? Skeptical. I was always skeptical about doing a overnight in the winter. But yeah, I was always skeptical about coming out here in the winter and doing a winter overnight hike. But how good could it be? People rave about it. A lot of people that do it love it, and so I'm gonna give it a shot. And so far I'm loving it. I mean, I've only been out here for a half hour, but that could change later. And, but I doubt it. Oh, crap. Oh, I think we can get through there. Well, other people got through. This is a predicament, but I think we can get around it. Through there. There's footprints going through there. We're over halfway to T Harbor and not a single person yet. But okay, let's see if we can get around this. Okay, let's go. Let's get around this tree. Yeah. At least somebody else has been through here before and kind of packed it down. Oh wow. Just follow the footprints. There you go. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh, that's so easy. That was easy. Not so bad. Yeah. Oh, that's a big one too. Just right down across the trail. trail that goes into T Harbor. All these footprints keep going down that way. And I was wondering, like, are they going to the top of the Giant? That'd be kind of dangerous in these conditions. I wouldn't do it. No footprints here into T Harbor. Just a couple animal tracks. There our camp is, right? Favorite spot at T Harbor. There's like about 4 other spots spread apart here. I got the food locker there, and I actually got an outhouse over there. And I got this trail here, goes to the camp along the lake. Oh, those waves are strong. Pretty breezy here. I might go camp on the other side. Oh, this is crazy wind. Oh, there's some nice benches here. Oh, and it's all cleared out. Not much snow here. So I was really debating on whether to set up camp on the other side here at T Harbor or here. It's just like right across the way. It's not very far from here. And it's so much different over there. There is just all snow. The fire pit is just full of snow, but it's no wind there, and it feels a little warmer. But here it got quite a breeze here, and but it's got better benches here, and it's all there's no snow out in there. That's probably going to set up the tent pretty much right where Xena is there. So I was going to put the tent right down there, but look at this tree. See the roots coming up. Like, look at this. This is the bottom of it. Look at that. Like, if I want to, I could push this thing right down. But yeah, I got to put the tent over there instead. So this is the second time I found one of these painted rocks out here at the Sleeping Giant. One was at Lightning's Bay, and now this one. And these are there's a Facebook group called Thunder Bay Rock Groups, and they paint rocks and they'll hide them. They just place them places for people to find, and either the other person can find it or they re-hide it somewhere else. And they always put like that on the back. Yeah, it says, please post Facebook Thunder Bay Rocks Group, keep or re-hide. Well, this is from 2019. She is so happy cool out here now with all this snow. One, she obviously, you know, she loves coming out here. But man, she loves snow. I think she's amazed that we're doing it now. Okay, come on. Oh, she wants to go play in the lake. But I don't want, no, we can't. It's too cold for that. I don't want you to get too chilled. You'll freeze. Okay, come on, let's go. Hoop. Good jump. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? There. Hey. Oh, what do you hear? You hear something? What'd you hear? Ready? Catch. Good. Very end of T Harbor. I love it out here, this spot. I've seen them before. Still pretty powerful. Okay, I think we're gonna go head back to camp, get that fire going. Frying up some sausages. 5 sausages. So, couple for me, couple for Xena. I think 6:30. I don't know what time it is. It seems a lot later because it got dark at like 5:30, 6. I'll probably go to bed pretty early. Just sit here in front of the fire for, I don't know, another hour and a half or so. Probably go to sleep around 8. So just every time I'm out here, I like camping, or just relaxing at camp, or working around camp, I get these random songs stuck in my head. Usually it's Pound Cake from Van Halen, and right now it's Living on the Edge from Aerosmith. I don't know, I always just randomly pop into my head, and they just kind of stick there for a while. And yeah, at least they're good songs. Wow, that wind is really picking up. This tent seems to be holding strong. Xena's just, there she is. Just lying down over there. Well, good night, everybody. Hopefully I survive the night. I think I'll be pretty warm in that sleeping bag, and with all the layers of clothing I have, I'll be toasty warm. So I'm just gonna sit here in front of the fire. Okay, good night, sweetheart. Yeah. Good night, sweetheart. Okay, time for bed. Sweet dreams. Well, Xena and I are all packed up here. Gonna head out here soon. We'll meet Kevin at the trailhead. What did I think of my first winter hike? I loved it. Just cold. I had a hard time dealing with the cold sometimes, but not too bad. I was fine at night. The sleeping bag was good. That helped. This is it till next spring, I think. Next year. I think we're going to come out here again this year. About the winter. Probably do some day hiking with snowshoes. Probably get some snowshoes, do some day hiking. But anyways, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Please hit that bell notification. Okay, see you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Goodbye.